Come over, bro.
Oh my God, I am the greatest.
All right, boys and girls, we've been working our tails off to try and get this garage into a studio platform that we can shoot all of our cars, awesome videos, additional content, and our new shop truck that we just got.
Yes, we did.
But as you can see, the floors are garbage.
They're not good.
A couple weeks ago, we got a shipment from RaceDeck Garage Flooring, and then coronavirus hit.
Thanks, Corona.
We had a shelter in place and we could not work on it, but we are back and we're gonna show you how to install probably some of the sickest, most badass garage flooring in the industry.
RaceDeck has been doing this for 30 years, leading the industry in badass garage flooring. It's super simple to put together. It just snaps in there, and this will take your normal garage to a next level showroom garage.
All right, we're gonna cut this thing open. We have no idea what we're doing. I know that through some of our videos, we may look like experts and really smart individuals, but
I'm an expert.
it says easy installation. Oh, take a look at that.
And that's what we're working with right there.
Oh, wow. That looks super sweet.
So it's gonna look super good, and you can see it kind of just snaps together super easily.
I have a feeling that the instructions are so easy that it's almost like the instructions are, hey, dipshit, just put it together.
Hey, snap these together on your floor.
And I was right. Put the male into the female and start in the corner. That's it.
Yeah, no problem, dude. There it is. Ooh, that's
step
quality.
on it. Step on
You
it.
do gotta step on it. I don't want to step on it.
We're gonna put a car on.
That's true.
Snap.
Oh, baby.
All right, so when you open these up, they come in these big 4x4 panels. It's nice that they're already put together like this, as it will take some time, especially to do the middle of the flooring. I think, should we just get after it?
It's gonna look good.
I think we need some additional help.
Yeah, we need some help for sure.
It might take a little bit too time, and we have a lot of orders to fill. All right, well, here's a time-lapse sequence. All right, so we're a little bit way through. We got some extra hands here. Our boy Kyle has come to help us out. This is the #1 tool that you need.
The one tool.
That, and we're gonna have to cut some custom pieces at the end here because the shape is a little different. But for the most part, it's coming together pretty nicely. And once you get moving, it goes pretty fast. But
You're an expert.
you can see that it clicks right in, and I kind of screwed up right here. The male tab is kind of sticking out a little bit and it came across. You can get around that by lifting it up. Everything's pretty flexible and plastic, which makes it really nice to work with. But getting that angle allows you to fit it really nicely. And you can see once you start going, you'll be able to get this done relatively quickly, and it's already looking really good.
It's all in the angle of the dangle.
It'd really help if we had more than one mallet.
This is key for sure.
Yeah. As you can see, we're going with a black on the outside, a red line all the way on the inside to create a box. You could go with a classic checkered mark. They have Harley Davidson branded ones. You could have your own custom logo in them.
All kinds of colors.
They got a ton of different colors.
Yeah.
And I also saw they also have some like wood grain finishes. So if you wanted to look a little bit more like house, but still wanted to be able to drip oil and other car related things on it, you don't have to worry about actual hardwood. That product looks pretty cool. The folks at RaceDeck, we sent them the dimensions of the space. They sent us a diagram and then sent us the exact pieces that we needed with a little bit of overflow in case we screwed something up, which, let's be honest, we probably will. But yeah, it's fitting together really nicely. You see there's just enough space here for one more. Oh, great job, Mike. Anytime real work needs to be done, Mike goes, hey guys, I'm gonna go take the car out and do some videos.
Yeah, make sure you get this because I'm only doing it once.
Since this is a floating floor, you want to normally install it at the warmest part of the day. Since it's winter in San Diego, it's around 70 degrees all the time. Sorry for everyone in Canada and on the East Coast and anywhere else that it's cold. only have one mallet and some extra time. So we're gonna do a throwing star competition by way of tactical knives. The outside is 5 points. Next ring around is 10 points, and the middle is 19 points for COVID-19. So whoever has the least amount of points after 3 throws has to buy lunch.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal. You're on, brother. Big.
It's got to stick too.
Got a stick. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. 10 points.
10.
All right.
0.
Oh, shit.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 0. I'm getting lunch today.
Shit.
Oh, that, I don't,
Give it.
what was that?
That ain't gonna
The wind threw that one off. Oh, we got a sudden death.
Sudden death.
Last place playoff.
Oh, shit.
Yo, this might go on forever.
Oh!
Hit them. Oh, 5 points. Mike.
Yes.
It's on the board with 5 points. Sudden death. If you do not get this in and make it stick. Yes. There you go, sir.
Hell yeah. I didn't lose. Tactical knives.
All right, Jojo Bean, what do we have for lunch?
Sandwiches.
Thank you for watching our first ever tactical knife throwing competition.
We're doing this again.
Sponsored by RestoMods and RaceDeck flooring. We should probably go help Kyle install these floors now. After you buy us lunch.
Food. Food.
That's it.
We did it.
Now we gotta do
Good, boys.
Yeah. Now we gotta do baseboards.
All right, let's do it.
All right. All right, RestoMods Nation, you saw us install these floors, and now that they're in, we are blown away. It has completely uplifted our garage. It will uplift your garage too. Special shout out and thanks to RaceDeck Flooring. RaceDeck.com is where you can go to check out some of their products. They're the sponsors of this video, and yeah, we couldn't be happier.
I think it looks great. I can't wait to get the cars back in here.
I think that's the one thing that's missing that we got to do right now.
Let's do it.
Let's get the cars in. If you guys don't follow us already, hit that subscribe and bell icon on the YouTube channel, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram in order to get updates and see the other cool stuff we're doing in this garage. The lift maybe?
Lift. Do you even lift, bro?